3, 2, 1.
On our national adventure. Hi, if you haven't met us yet, this is Andrew. I'm Allison. This is Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. We're a Georgia family, and today we're at the Great Wolf Lodge in LaGrange, Georgia. We hope that you'll hit subscribe if you haven't yet already to never miss an episode. Paper, scissors, shoot. Hey, you. Great Wolf Lodge has a ton of things to do for children of all ages, including adults. But the first thing on our list was the Magic Quest. Now this is something that you can do on any vacation and repeat it year after year.
So we have 5.
So you first need to get a wand, and these wands can be used over and over as you progress through the stations. Along the way, you can befriend treetop pixies, battle evil dragons, and recover stolen jewels from the Goblin King and earn the title of Master Magi. They also have events all throughout, so they've got stuff like yoga and story time, they've got bingo, and you can check out the Great Wolf Lodge app for a schedule of events. We loved the arcade. The kids typically don't go to arcades, but we had a great time.
Oh my, that's a lot! Oh my!
Wow!
Let's stop! Oh my, I got big many tickets!
The resort is designed so that you never have to leave the grounds, so they've got fun coupons for things like ice cream, and then as far as restaurants, you are set to go for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You've got assortment of food, and you'll never go hungry. There's tons to do here, so mini golf, rock climbing, you name it. They definitely have it covered at the Great Wolf Lodge.
Who's ready to go to the Great Wolf Lodge pool? I know I am. Let's go!
The adventure park is really the highlight of Great Wolf Lodge. It's an indoor pool.
You ready to go swimming?
Multiple water slides and water features for all ages. This park has it all.
So I'm gonna go on one of those big slides, and you're gonna go to the pool, okay? I'm tempted to go on the dark blue one. I'm really tempted. Okay, let's go.
What did you think of that?
It was fun. I actually thought it was going to be more scary than I thought.
So what was it like?
It was fun. It had a lot of drops, but it was really fun. Kiara, get ready! Get ready, Kiara!
How was it? Was it fun?